773 Sliding puzzle. This Java code uses the breadth-first search BFS algorithm. BFS is suitable for this problem because it explores all possible states level by level, ensuring that we find the shortest path to the solution. We'll represent each board state as a string for easy comparison and use a queue to explore each state. Explanation 1. State representation. Each board state is represented as a string. For example, the board 123405 is represented as 123,405. 2. BFS initialization. We initialize the BFS with the starting board state. We also maintain a set of visited states to avoid processing the same state multiple times. 3. Exploring moves. For each state, we find the position of 0 and try to move it in all 4 possible directions: up, down, left, right. If the move is valid, we generate a new board state and add it to the queue if it hasn't been visited. 4. Checking for solution. If we reach the target state 123,450, we return the number of moves taken. If the queue is exhausted without finding the solution, we return -1. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.